Hello and welcome to Puzzle Masters product review. Today we will be taking a closer look at the Snowflakes puzzle. This puzzle was designed and made by Abhishek Ruikar from India. Difficulty level of the Snowflakes puzzle is 9 out of 10 on a Puzzle Masters difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. And the goal of the puzzle is to fit all 6 snowflakes inside the frame. At a first glance it might look easy since there are exactly 6 spots here for the snowflakes, but once you start solving it, you will find that it is extremely difficult. Even though the flakes look exactly the same, if you put them together, you will find that they have a very small differences and there are no two exactly the same snowflakes. And once you start putting them inside, you will end up with 5 snowflakes inside the frame, but one that you can't put, doesn't matter how you rotate it. So you have to remove all the snowflakes from the frame and start from the very beginning. And it might take a lot of time before you will find the correct solution. It is something similar to a Yu Asaka style puzzle where it is very difficult to find solution until you find the aha moment. Here there is an aha moment where you discover that there are some things in the snowflakes that can help you to figure out the correct solution. So it will be very enjoyable solve. You will spend probably like 30 minutes at least before you will find the correct assembling of the puzzle. If you like the Snowflakes puzzle and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca. Thank you for watching. See you next time.